Hey gang, it's Josh with No Dad, No Problem, featuring how-tos, interviews, reviews you can use. So today we're going to be just doing a quick repair on a Shark vacuum at NV352 is the model. Basically what's happened is the extension wand, the clip for it, the spring-loaded clip to detach it and that holds it in place has stopped functioning. So we're going to troubleshoot that and repair it. All right, let me show you the problems and then we'll get to the repairs. So we've got the vacuum and everything looks in place, but if we come here, this piece here is not functioning. And therefore, anytime you try to vacuum, if you push, that'll come up and the vacuum won't function properly and you're not gonna get proper suction for it. So let's start the troubleshooting process. The first thing I'm gonna want to do is I'm going to completely remove the wand itself. I'm going to use up here, pull it off, and we're going to detach this portion. So this button itself doesn't have the springiness that I would expect. And if I look inside, when I'm manipulating the button, there's no movement. Now I'm not 100% certain, but I'm pretty sure what's happened here is that this area has a spring in it that's attached that goes up to this button here. And I think that this is probably broken, and that's why we wouldn't be getting any spring action to it. So I'm gonna take a small flat tipped screwdriver and I'm just gonna gently pry this off. Whoa, well, that wasn't quite as gentle, but looks like I was right. No problem. So we're just gonna, this is made of plastic. We just gotta figure out which way it lines up, and it looks like it would line up. Sorry about that. Looks like I can't hold on to the darn thing. So to line up like that and like that, we should be able to super glue it together, and that should solve our problem. All right, guys, so I decided to use something a little bit stronger than a standard super glue. So I'm using a rapid fuse, which comes with a plastic primer. Plastic primer just kind of has a marker tip to it. Just gonna rub it along the edges that you're looking to fuse. Plastic can be difficult, and I figured since the portions I'm looking to bond is rather small, it'd be in my best interest to use the plastic primer. So that's gonna take about a minute to set. All right, so the minute is passed for the primer. All I'm gonna be looking to do is I'm gonna apply the bonding material, essentially our super glue, but to one side. That might be a little bit too much, but line these bad boys up and then apply pressure. So I'm going to be holding this together for about 30 seconds, applying pressure from both directions. It's going to take 30 seconds to set, and then it's recommending a full 30 minutes for the curing process. All right, guys, so I actually allowed this to cure overnight. We got a bond on it, and it looks pretty good. I disconnected it from this piece. I figured that'll be easier. Make sure that it's moving smoothly. I also took a nail file like you'd use for actual fingernails, soft one, and smoothed out the edges here. Didn't want any of excess glue to potentially catch. So I'm gonna look to do here. Just line that up. Looks like it's lined up pretty well. Reattach. And it looks like we have proper play. All right, moment of truth. Let's take the side that we fixed. Let's install it down. All right, so I can pull on it. We can see that it's now holding. If I push and lift, it comes up. Excellent. All right, so there we go, guys. That's fixing the extension wand, like spring buttons on the Shark NV352. It's probably very similar for most of the Shark vacuums that are out there. If this video has helped you in any way, please consider leaving us a like. Let us know down below if it worked for you, if it didn't work for you. Subscribing to our channel helps our channel grow, and if you ring the bell for notifications, so it'll let you know when we upload new content. Be well, be blessed, be loved, and have the best day ever.